So here we go, in single file as we've done many times before.
I know it looks weird, but we do it for a reason.
We walk in single file, and I'm in the lead, and I'm keeping a cedar bush between us and the deer.
You know, I gotta admit, it does look silly, but this single file march has worked a dozen times, and it works again. We're only 30 yards from the buck, but we're pinned down. Angie and I waited out until Scott gives us the all clear sign. With a 30-mile-an-hour crosswind, I move to my left and do my best to settle my 50-yard pin.